Pugga is a winter delight, and you don't need a season or a reason to enjoy Pugga because it is so yummy, so tasty. You can have it any time of the year. Also, Pugga is made with only 3 ingredients. Can you believe it? Just 3 ingredients, and we can have this mithai, you can call it, or you can call it something which is just to go with your cha time. That is what this Pugga is. I love it, and I thought I am going to also share it with all of you today. Dry roast our sesame seeds. When you are dry roasting it, please make sure that it is on a very low medium heat. It has to cool down before I can grind it. Khoya is going to be just melted. Sesame seeds that you have done are not really powdered but coarsely ground. So now my next step is to have the granulated sugar into powder. I'm going to mix it in here. Black cardamom. So only seeds, no pods goes in, only the seeds. This is the consistency. It's still nice and warm, so this is what we are going to mix it in here. So let's just now bring everything together. So I thought this is actually a perfect time for me to share my story behind making this Pugga recipe today. And my inspiration is my BG, because she would call in month of January and ask me, are you going to make Pugga this time on Lodi? And my answer was yes, I am going to make it. But again, I used to make not just on Lodi, but I used to make this anytime I feel like making it. Also, the other reason why I'm doing these traditional recipes is so that our coming generation, once they would actually have my legacy cookbook in their hand, which is all traditional Punjabi recipes that we are losing with time is in their hands. They are going to make these recipes again and again, just like what I do. So you can see here, I've started giving it a roll shape. You can give it a tikki shape if you like, but just make sure there are no cracks. If the cracks are coming, there is also a technique for that, and that is just add some ghee in it. So I'm rolling this in a nice big ladoo shape, but you are welcome to just make a very small bite size. So my last step now is to actually mix some almonds and the roasted sesame seeds that we have. I'm just going to just gently roll it and start plating it. And now some garnish of nice pistachio. Your Pugga is ready. I hope you enjoyed today this recipe of Pugga. Do share with me what is your favorite winter delight. It must be, or it should be now, Pugga. For the recipe, please follow my blog on www.kitchenpunjabi.com and you will get the full recipe in detail there. Thanks for watching.